they are successful. Even you can see there is 9 million Ethereum stacked. That is $15 billion in their liquidity. Okay. If there is 1 million plus user and 108 billion dollars, sorry, $10 billion locked. Okay. Then there is 1 trillion volume, 6.3 million user in Uniswap. So you can see how things are changing, how people are migrating towards a DeFi. But even it is also important for you to evaluate the project. Okay, somebody comes up with anything and tell you buy this that, it's not like important it will be a real legit project, because even in crypto you need to be very examining the things what is coming, it's a real legit, and how things are there, what legal licenses they have to operate, and there are many other things to do that. Then only you need to be a part of DeFi project. Otherwise many time there are many Ponzi deals also where people lose money. So always be alert on finalizing where you want to, on which project you want to be a part of in DeFi space. So these are the DeFi use case of the decentralized financial ecosystems. Now coming on to the play to earn gaming industry. Everybody know gaming industry is a billion-trillion-dollar industry, and gaming sometimes people feel like it's a waste of time. Okay, we don't make anything out of it. But if you are professional, and if you know, like if you play games you can make profitability, you can make earnings. So the DeFi system is an example for that. Okay, in the DeFi system there is X infinity, okay, where you can make around $5 to $50 a day based on how you are playing, how is your skill sets and everything. You make earnings. Okay, because it is designed in a way where when people are coming playing, they are provided with certain NFTs and certain other stuff where they can make profit of it, and they can even make livelihood out of it. So even this is possible because of Web3. Play to earn was often misleaded. Okay, but player owned asset and marketplace while earning remain uncertain for most. Okay, so that is the example we need to know. You can even make earning, and that is really feasible because of decentralized finance and decentralized application and Web3 platform. Because for doing all that stuff you are being rewarded by the blockchain company which is introducing that particular platform.